This video is brought to you by Skillshare. So we are now staying in this little cottage behind me. Cute little cottage in Oahu. It's really beautiful place. This is more on the North Shore side. Oh, guess who's there? Got the bed. Nice big window looking out to where I just was. Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Chef Life. As you can see, I'm suited up. I got Justin with me from Fish and Dive Hawaii. We actually done a video together before back in the Bay Area where I took him poke poling. So it's time for him to take me out on his territory. We're going diving and we're gonna go look for some taco octopus. Hopefully we can find some taco. If not, we're gonna shoot some fish. All right? Oh yeah. Something's going down today.
It's going down.
It's going down. Yeah. A shout out to Tony. He hooked it up with this Venture wetsuit. You should check him out. Venture wetsuit. I'll put the Instagram right here and the website down in the description. And he changes out the colors too. It's pretty dope. Just check him out. It's a good guy. It's one man operation. So, local guy. All right, well, here we go. And straight off the bat, the very first hole that I checked had a taco in it, and so I was trying to work him out, trying to tickle him out, as they say. Sorry about the bad camera angle, but here's a shot of it here, and that's a pretty good size octopus there. And so I was trying to get him out for a few minutes. And eventually I was able to get him out. But when he came out, so did a bunch of ink, and he was gone, just like that. Outsmarted. Taco 0, Taco 1. Then I decided to go shoot some fish. So here is a cornet fish. So I took the shot and got my first fish here. And here's another one, another cornet fish, same type, about the same size as well. And I took the shot and got him again. And so that's 2 cornet fish. And I saw a third one, and I was thinking about it, and I decided to let that one live and just let him go, since I don't think I need any more than that. After I found that first taco, I checked so many holes and nothing. And I didn't find any more octopus for the rest of the day. Luckily, Justin came through right at the end and he was able to find one, and we got one on the board. So now we can go cook it up. Yeah, that's about a pound for sure. Alright, well, we just came out. Man, really disappointed in myself. First hole I checked, there was a taco in it, and I couldn't get it. But I ended up spearing 2 of the cornet fish, or trumpet fish, and those are pretty good for sashimi, so we'll probably prepare that later. In Hawaii, taco has to be 1 pound. Oh, 1.14.
Hey.
That's right.
That's right.
Legal taco. Legal, let's go, let's go.
And I cleaned it out too, so
yeah.
It would have been a little bit more.
Yeah, I probably had another.
Yeah, that's why the head's kind of butchered.
Yeah. Good job, man.
I'm glad
that's
we got
right.
one today.
Yeah,
I was getting nervous, but.
I know, we were working hard, man. We probably did a total dive of 5 hours.
Yeah, 4 or 5 hours for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna cook up the taco here and I'm gonna make takoyaki. You guys know what takoyaki is? So I have the pan for it right here. It requires this pan. So it's a special takoyaki pan. Takoyaki is a Japanese street food, specifically in Osaka. And Osaka is actually where I was born. Put a generous amount of salt onto the taco. And just gonna massage it for a little bit. And that's gonna help take the slime off and also tenderize the taco too. I'm gonna try to tenderize it a little bit more with my beer bottle. I just finished drinking it, so just gonna pound it, try to tenderize it a little bit. It's good. I'm just gonna rinse it off and we'll throw it in the pot. All right, just dunk it once, take it back out. We'll let that go for about 15 minutes. That's salt water, by the way. I have this takoyaki batter, and if there's a Japanese market near you, you can get this at a Japanese market. If not, you can just use flour too, or okonomiyaki flour. That works as well. So we're making the batter. This is just water. For takoyaki, it's like a pretty thin batter.
Have you made takoyaki before?
I have, yeah, in Japan. When I was in Japan, I used to make it when I was a kid.
So it's gonna bring back some childhood memories.
Yeah, man, totally. Brings back memories. Once I actually get the pan going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That should be good. Cut this part too. This is just oil. The pan needs to be well oiled because this is cast iron. And the batter should be pretty runny from what I remember. I'm just doing most of this just by memory. And I haven't made takoyaki in a really long time. So I'm really excited. So all you're gonna do, just fill it up. You don't have to be pretty with it. Just fill it, the whole thing. You're just gonna place a taco in each of the holes. Green onions on there too. And I'm just gonna take that. Yeah, this part right here brings back memories. Just doing this in Japan. Yeah. I used to be pretty good at it when I was a kid too. It's not gonna be pretty at first, but it'll get there. It'll get there. And then you just keep turning it until it's pretty much until it's perfect. Looking good, looking good. Kind of want that crispy outside and then just soft and kind of
Moist.
batter. Yeah, moist. Soft and moist, yeah. That's how it is, man. And delicious. That one's looking perfect right there.
So why taco? Do you do it with other like type of meat and stuff?
No, only taco.
Wow.
Only with taco.
Just the texture?
Yeah, I don't know why, but it's always with taco. Yeah, I've never tried it with anything else. I've never seen it made with anything else, actually. Yeah, this is about done. Oh, yes. Aonori. Katsuobushi, which is bonito flakes. And you'll see these move. There it is. Woo! And that, my friends, is a traditional Osaka street food takoyaki. Whenever I go to Japan, I'm always eating takoyaki non-stop. So good. One of my favorites. Go ahead.
Ooh, man.
You can go first.
I just go for the whole thing.
Hot?
Wow. You like cooked it like the inside is so like tender, you know?
Soft, right?
Oh my.
Soft and moist.
Moist. Definitely moist.
Yeah. Just get all that sauce on there. That's good. Oh, that's so good.
It's been a while since I had good takoyaki.
Not too hot. Usually it's like piping hot. It's gonna burn my mouth. You know, I think the next ones will be even better. I think the batter's a little thick. It could be thinner. But it's so good.
It's really good.
I mean, we're gonna be in Osaka next week. So we're gonna eat plenty of this there then. But I had to make it. I was missing it so much.
He loves it, man.
Oh yeah, and we have a lot more to make. I'm just gonna be making this all night. Just eating, making, drinking beers. It's a good way to end a long dive day.
That was a long dive day, but it was rewarding.
And it is. This is definitely worth all that time in the water.
Like now that I think about it, you probably wouldn't be able to get away with like a different type of food in the center. Just how like the texture is, like
Yeah.
being soft on the inside. You're not using anything else.
Exactly. Well, Justin, my bro, thank you, man. Thank you for today.
Man. No, thank you for coming out here.
Yeah.
Trying it out.
Yeah, I told you I'd be out here.
You did.
Yeah,
You did.
I told you I was like, I'll be
We're
there, man.
pulling underwater this time.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's literally what it was. I was just poking all the holes. I was like, I'm gonna leave no holes unpoked.
Except poles.
No holes. No holes unpoked.
Like when you told me you caught a taco, I was like, brah. Bruh, this guy's unnatural already.
Dude, I had it too. Oh my god, I can't believe I lost that one.
Yeah.
I literally had it. I was like, oh, I'm done. I'm gonna
It's
get out.
funny, all the big ones kind of stay on the inside too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, man, it's alright.
Yeah.
At least we got one today.
Yeah, at least we got one. At the end of the day, boom, Justin was able to get one. Make sure to check out his channel to see the catch of the taco. Fish and Dive Hawaii. I'll put the link in the description below. Otherwise, guys, we're just gonna keep making them, drinking beers. If you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Peace.
This video is sponsored by Skillshare. You can learn so many things from Skillshare, and one of those things being knife skills. If you want to get on my level, you gotta start with the basics, and Skillshare can help you get there. It's a great online learning community, and this tutorial by Ilana Karp will teach you those knife skills you need to be one step better. Since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, you get not one but 2 free months. So use this opportunity and learn and get better at what you're interested in. Use the code in the link description below to get your 2 free months. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video.